Hello everyone, Mike Rempel from Excel Bytes with today's Excel Bytes blog post. Today we're going to take a look at the function RANDBETWEEN. This is one of my favorites. I use it almost every day when I'm working on projects. And we're also going to take a look at 3 quick and easy ways to convert your formulas to their values. So let's see how we can do that in Excel. So often I'm working on a project for someone and I need to just create some dummy data with values that again are insignificant, but I need to use them to check my formula and my logic. So for example, what I might do here is, let's say I'm going to just type in January and drag that across to get my 12 months worth of data. And let's pretend I have 5 products here, so I'm just going to do product 1 through 5. And I need to just create some, say, quantities or values here. What I'll do is I'll highlight the range and I'll type equals RANDBETWEEN, hit tab, and all I have to do is pick the range, the bottom and the top number of that range that I want to use, say for example 1 and 100, close my parentheses, hit Control Enter, and Excel will give me those values between 1 and 100 and just randomly populate that range. And you can certainly go larger numbers. For example, I can type equals RANDBETWEEN and say 1,000 and 100,000. Again, close my parentheses, Control Enter, and there I have those numbers in that range. Now you can also incorporate, say, the roundup function with this if you don't want to use such specific numbers. So I can just click in here, type roundup, tab, go to the end, maybe comma, -2, close my parentheses, Control Enter, and now I have numbers that are into hundreds. So that's how easy it is to do that if you need to create some random numbers for some project you're working on. Now, one thing you need to know about the RANDBETWEEN function is that it's a volatile function. And what that means in Excel is every time you make a change to your worksheet, it will recalculate. Now, that can add a lot of overhead to your workbook. So you probably want to convert those formulas to their values so they don't change every time, especially if you're trying to check your work. So I have 3 different ways that I'll convert formulas to their values, and let me go through those right now. One way is I'll just copy the data, and then in my quick access toolbar I've actually added a option here to paste values. I'll click on that, and now you can see that the formulas have been converted to their values. I'll do Control Z to undo that. If you need to add any functions to your quick access toolbar, just click the down arrow here, customize your quick access toolbar. Maybe you can down to more commands here, and then you can just select the command you want and put it into your quick access toolbar. You select it here, put add, say OK, and it will be added to your quick access toolbar. Another thing you could do is, after highlighting your data, you can move your cursor till it turns into a solid black plus sign with arrowheads. Right click, drag those values off and drag them right back onto the same area, and a menu will appear and you can choose copy here as values only. Again, I do that, and it's converted those back to their values. The third way, and the one that I use most often, is I hit Control C and then I hold down my menu key on my keyboard and hit V, and that will again convert those to their values. Again, if I Control Z and undo that and have them back to their formulas, this is what I mean by a volatile function. So if I type anything here, say the number 5, and I hit enter, notice how all my values changed. I delete that, again, they go through and they change again. So again, what I would do is I would do Control C, menu V, and now my values are converted from the formulas that they originally set up. And that's how you can do this in Excel.
So thanks for watching this tutorial. If you found it beneficial, please share it, like it, or give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't yet, please subscribe to my blog at my website, excel-bytes.com, or any of the social networks you see below. Have a great day and happy excelling.